You can change the date of all items in a folder or in a folder and its subfolders with these commands. Command 1 sets one date for every file in a folder, applying it to the creation date, last written date and last access date all at once, but it won't touch anything inside subfolders. Just swap in your folder path and the date you want, then paste the whole thing into PowerShell running as administrator. Make sure you copy the entire command including the closing bracket at the end. Once you run it, any file in that folder will have the same date. Command 2 does the same thing, but it also reaches the subfolders. Adding Recurse tells PowerShell to go through the main folder and all the folders inside it. Command 3 is for when you want the creation date, modify date and last access date to each be different. This one only affects the main folder, not any subfolders. Command 4 is the same as Command 3, but again with Recurse added. So it sets those three different dates on everything in the main folder and all its subfolders. Grab the commands from the description, replace the path and the date at the top, and you are good to go. Was this helpful? Let me know. Still having trouble? Describe your issue in the comments and let's fix it together.